Hey, it's John Bestman with Keller Williams Community Homes Ohio and Listings Monroe. I'm here in front of one of our new listings at 821 Hocking Meadows, located in the highly rated Monroe School District. This property is just minutes from the schools, minutes from Kroger's, minutes from 75, and it's a great location. But that's not the best part about this house. This house has outdoor living that you really want for you and your family. It's got a pool, it's got a hot tub, just an unbelievable great space. Inside of the open floor plan of this house, you've got a huge kitchen, and this kitchen will give you so much ability to host any entertainment. So come see this house. The pictures just don't do this justice.